Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing about a very basic topic of chemistry, what is an atom. Now this video is particularly for those students who have started studying the basic concepts of chemistry. Without wasting time, let's get started with the video. Now before knowing about atom, we first know what is matter. Now matter is anything that has space, that occupies space and has mass, right? For example, a hat, a pencil, a table, or a bicycle, an apple, they all occupy space and they all have a mass. On the other hand, the milk, the hot chocolate, the water which is present in the glass, the hot air balloon, the fan, the wind, they all occupy space and they all have mass, right? So all these things can be considered as matter. And all matter is made up of elements. Now we will know what is an atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. These atoms are the building blocks for everything in the universe. Let's see the structure of an atom. See, atom has a dense center which is known as nucleus. And just like the planets revolve around the sun, there are certain circular structures called orbits which revolve around the or which surrounds the nucleus. These are the orbits or shells. So basically, atom has two portions. One, the center, which is nucleus, and surrounding the nucleus there are certain circular structures called orbits or shells. Now see, in the nucleus, protons and neutrons are present, and in the orbits, electrons are present. Protons are positively charged particles and neutrons have no charge. Whereas electrons that are present in the orbits, they have negative charge. So in nucleus, as protons and neutrons both are present and neutrons have no charge but protons have positive charge. So all over, due to the presence of the protons, nucleus has positive charge. And in orbits, we know that electrons revolve around in the orbits and electrons have negative charge. Now, the electrons which is negatively charged and the protons which are positively charged, they attract each other because we know that positive and negative opposite charges attract each other. So electrons and protons being oppositely charged, they attract each other. And this negative and positive charge, they neutralize or they cancel out each other. So the atom is electrically neutral. All over, the atom is neutral. All over, atom doesn't have any charge. The particles, the subatomic particles that are present in the atom, be it protons or the neutrons or the electrons, they have charge. Protons have positive charge, electrons have negative charge, neutrons have no charge. So this positive and negative charge, they cancel out each other, they neutralize each other, and all over atom is electrically neutral. Now one thing that we have to keep in mind is, in an atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. That means if in any element if the proton number is 4, then obviously it will be considered that the electrons that are present in that particular atom is also 4. Clear? Now we will know about atomic number. Atomic number is the total number of protons that is present in the atom, and atomic mass is the total number of protons plus the total number of neutrons. That means we will sum it up. The protons that are present and the neutrons that are present, we will add them and the total number will become the atomic mass of that particular atom. So let's take an example. Let's take an example of helium. Helium is an element which is present in period 1 of the periodic table. Helium has 2 protons. Helium has 2 protons. So that means 2 is its atomic number. Why? Because atomic number is the total number of protons that is present. So as helium has 2 protons, that's why the atomic number of helium is 2. And helium has 2 neutrons. Clear? So helium has 2 protons plus 2 neutrons. That means 4. 2 plus 2, 4. This 4 is the atomic mass. Why? Because we know atomic mass means the total number of protons and the total number of neutrons that are present in that particular atom. So from here we can say the atomic number of helium is 2 because 2 protons are present and atomic mass of the helium is 4. Why? Because 2 protons and 2 neutrons, that is 4. All over 4. Clear? Now, one thing which is very important is, in an atom, number of protons is constant. But the atom can lose or gain electrons to form ions. That means in an atom, there is no change in the number of protons, but the number of electrons can change accordingly. Okay. See, what are isotopes? Isotopes are the compounds of the same element. They have just extra neutrons. They have extra neutrons. But isotopes of the same element have similar properties. They have similar chemical properties. Why? Because the number of protons in all those compounds is constant. There is no change in the number of protons. So, the all over chemical properties of those isotopes remain same. But there is only change in the number of neutrons. Let's see an example. See. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. First is the normal hydrogen, which is known as the protium. Just the normal hydrogen. The normal proton is present. That is 1. Only 1 neutron is present. Clear? The normal. Next one is deuterium. Here see, 1 extra electron is present. 1 normally is present. Another extra electron, another extra neutron is present. So 2. That's why the H is 2, 1. Hydrogen. That is deuterium. Next is tritium. See, 2 extra neutrons are present. 1 plus 2, 3. All over 3 neutrons are present. That's why H31. Here, du means 2 and tri means 3. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. First one is the normal hydrogen having only 1 neutron. Next is the deuterium having 1 extra neutron. So 1 plus 1 making it 2. Du stands for 2. So it's deuterium, hydrogen having 1 extra neutron all over 2 neutrons. And the last is the tritium. Tritium means it has 2 extra neutrons. 1 plus 2, 3. That means all over it has 3 neutrons. And tri stands for 3. So it is known as tritium. So these are the examples of the isotopes of hydrogen. Clear? So I think this particular topic is very much clear to you all. And if you think my videos are informative and they are helpful, then please like my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching the video.